welcome back to my channel if we haven't met before. Hi, I'm Shiv, welcome to my channel. That was a very strange intro, I don't really know what happened there, but I think I'm going to keep it in because, yeah. Anyway, in today's video I am doing this makeup look for you right here. I've played with some colour, with some sequins to create like the white hearts and glitter and all sorts of fun busyness for Valentine's. It's just a bit of fun, obviously. I don't expect everyone to want to wear this actually at dinner or wherever you are going. This is just a bit of fun, and I feel like makeup is creative, so it's fun to play around, you know, and I really like it, so there we go. If you would like to see how I created this makeup look, please carry on watching. Before you do, please give a big thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's just carry on with the video. The first thing I'm going to go in with is this concealer right here, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4. And the first thing that I'm going to do is apply this all over my lid as an eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to go in with this angled brush to smooth out the concealer and then use this to carve out my brows. Then I'm just going to use my ring finger to blend out the concealer. So it turns out I wasn't recording, but all I'm going to do is pop a dot above my eye and then put a heart sequin on and follow it all above my crease. I don't like the placement of this heart, so I'm going to take this one off and redo it. I'm just going to take the hot pink shade from the James Charles Morphe palette and pack this over the love hearts. My camera keeps dying, so I don't know if I was recording or not. Then I'm going to take this dark burgundy shade right here, also from the James Charles palette, and pop this in the crease of my eye very carefully. Then I'm going to take this really light pink shade from the James Charles palette and use this to blend out the hot pink. For the lid shade, I'm going to go in this really bright orangey red to start off with and pop that on the lid. Then to go over the top of it, I'm going to take this dark burgundy shade. Then I'm going to go back to the brush with the burgundy shade just to kind of blend this out a little bit. Next I'm going to peel off the hearts, which is super exciting. The other side, as you can see, is done. I've filled it in with white kind of liner, but some of the hearts are really neat, some of them are a little bit smudgy, so let's just see what turns out. That one looks awful, that one looks good. Do you see what I mean? This is something I've never done before, so let's just see. That one looks cute. I'm just going to take a white concealer and dot over the hearts. That was a tense moment. Then I'm going to go in with my Revolution Renaissance Flip Eyeliner and apply my wing. Now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in the shade Volume and apply this just above the wing. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a generous coat of the Benefit Bag Out Bang Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to take these ones from Jamil Lashes. They are in the style Chloe. Next, I'm just going to pop a black liner in my waterline. This is the Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Then I'm going to take the same pink from the James Charles palette and pop this under my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the burgundy shade and pop this on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then take the lightest pink shade just to blend it all out. Then I'm just going to pop some glitter glue onto a little brush, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take some of this glitter, which is the Revolution Glitter Bomb, and this is in the shade Grand Gesture. So now moving on to the face, I'm going to prime the skin using my Etmore Beauty Liquid Illuminator in the shade Champagne Ice for a nice dewy glow. This is so unbelievably extra, I know, but Valentine's vibes, you guys. I'm just going to blend this in using a buffing brush. For foundation, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade Natural. I'm just going to apply this all over my face and then bounce it into the skin using my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. To contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick to Flawless Foundation Stick in the shade Mink. So I've just popped it around my forehead and temples and under my cheekbones. This is just going to add some structure to the face and lift my cheekbones up. I also like to pop it under my jaw for some more structure. Under my lip to make it look more pouty. And then down at these sides of my nose just to make it look straighter. Then I'm going to blend it into the skin using my Smashbox Cream Cheek Brush. Just blending this out in a little circular motion for a nice blend. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Super Coverage Born This Way Concealer in the shade Almond. And I'm going to start by popping this onto my chin, my forehead, under my eyes, maybe down my nose if I'm feeling super fancy. Then I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Now for a liquid highlight, I'm going to take my liquid illuminator from Etmore Beauty again and pop it on the tops of my cheekbones just to add a base for the highlight, and this will really make it pop. For my highlight, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Duo Light Highlight 9 colour palette in the shade Top Notch, which is this one right here. It's the pinky highlight, and I'm going to pop that on top of the liquid illuminator. Then I'm going to set my face using my Etmore Beauty Mineral Complexion Powder. For contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Light Contour Kit, and I'm going to go in with a shade right here, which is called Java. And I'm just going to contour under my cheekbones and around my forehead and under my jaw, down my nose, the same place where I put the cream contour. For bronzer, I'm going to take a teeny tiny little mini Benefit Huda bronzer. I'm going to dust this around the outer perimeters of my face in a 3 shape, just to add a nice glow and some warmth to the skin. For For blush, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Papa Dope Peach blush. I'm going to pop this on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to set everything into place using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to take the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Colour. This is in the shade Addiction, which looks like this. It's really beautiful. It's like a berry colour. I don't have a lip liner to match, so I'm going to take my stripped down lip liner just to mark out the shape of my lips. Smells amazing. To finish off the look, I'm just going to pop some mascara on my lower lashes. And this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and watching me play with makeup and just create something fun and creative. I really like it. I wish the hearts were a little bit more precise, but this is practice and practice makes perfect. So we've all got to learn somewhere, hey? But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope that you have a fantastic Valentine's no matter what you are doing. If you did like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's completely free and it will alert you when I upload a new video, which is usually every Thursday and Sunday at 6 PM UK time. Yes. Anyway, I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Carve out my brows. What? Then to go over top of it, I'm going to take this dark burgundy. What?